I'm Bob.
And I'm Terry, and this is Roscoe.
And this is Bob and Terry, never too old.
We've been traveling since 2018. We do a lot of hiking, and we like to travel the United States, and we'd like to take you along. So please subscribe and ring that bell and do all things.
See you there.
Good morning. We're here at Rend Lake, Illinois. We were going to go to Arkansas, but it was going to be over 100 degrees all week. So we ended up over here at Rend Lake, which is a nice campground, South Markham. And it's a Corps of Engineer, full hookups, very nice. We've already seen wildlife, family of deer walking around the campground, which was sweet. Yeah. And they've got a huge lake, and we're going to go see if we can't find some trails to walk today, and we'll take you along.
Supposed to walk some trails. Hopefully it won't rain. Roscoe's ready to go. You ready to go? Yeah, we're going to go walk a trail. You might see some more deer. A lot of deer around here rolling his eyes. Yeah, we'll take you along with us and show you what the trails look like here.
And we'll show you the campground too today.
Yeah,
it's really nice.
I haven't walked a complete campground yet, so we'll
they
do
have
that.
several around here.
Yeah. I don't know exactly how many Corps of Engineers are here, but there's several of them.
Yeah.
It's boat rentals, and a lot of people come here to fish. Rend Lake.
And it's close to a lot of hiking areas too with canyons. It's pretty. We'll take you along so you can check it out with us.
See you there.
Roscoe don't know where to go. He's all over the place. He goes back and forth. So many smells. He can't take it. I think he does too. There's a lot of deer around here. It's a nice little bike path. I don't know how many miles it goes, but we're going to check it out. And the rivers, the lake overflow of the lake is really soothing. It's like going down through a creek. Yeah, it looks pretty stagnant. Is it running? It doesn't look like it's running. Well, it's not flowing. I'm not sure. It looks stagnant. There's another bridge. We're crossing to go to the other side. Big Muddy River, Mississippi River. 103 river miles. Huh. Evidently. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Huh. I get over the railing.
There's a shortcut back to the truck parking lot. So we took that once before when we was here. And when you get into that woods, the mosquitoes will attack you. And we're electing to go an extra mile or two out of the way. I don't know, we think we can survive it. Maybe the breeze will keep them away from us. down here. All the birds. Look like seagulls. Yes, they are gulls. One big lake now. We can walk down. A lot of water going through this dam. There's a guy over there fishing. Spillway, guy fishing there. There's a couple of dead ones. Anybody know what that is? A buffalo or what kind of carp? That's a lot of water shooting over there. When I get a video of this overflow. Smells good.
It will be once it's in my belly. Okay. I think it's all done.
Okay, that's my plate. What are you gonna eat?
Something. Come here, can you hold this plate? It's getting awful heavy. Hurry.
I got it. You don't.
No, I haven't got the food.
Taking Terry on a boat ride. They got us a John boat.
It works. It's a good day to be on the water.
Yeah, pretty flowers. I don't know what they are. We're just gonna go around the shoreline and stay out of the main part of the body of water because the wind's picking up.
Yeah, it looks pretty calm when I was looking at it.
Yeah. Well, you're in the, when he's in the boat launch, it's surrounded with rocks. Blocks all over. If you don't get lost, can't make it back to the marina. You're my navigator, you know how that happens sometimes. We usually get lost on land, now we'll see if we get lost on sea. Out in the lake. Head over there to that opening. birds out here.
A lot of birds.
Little island there. I think there's an opening right there. Yeah, the birds are all resting on the beach.